Hey everyone, we're going to be using our secondary colors today, and we are going to do some birds on a wire. Actually a couple wires, because we're going to do all of them. So you're going to need some crayons. We're going to start with a black, and we're going to do 3 lines, and they can go any kind of direction as long as they're going across the page. So I'm going to do one going here, one here, another one here. Okay, and then we're going to draw some birds. So we'll start with circles. Start with a circle here. We're going to do 3 on each line. One right here, one right here, got another one here, here, and here. And they can be different sizes. Another one here, here, and here. Okay, now we're going to give them feet. So 2 lines down, and then each foot has 3 lines. Little birdie feet. 2 lines down, 3 toes. 2 lines down, 3 toes. Make sure that they're standing on the wire here. 2 lines down, 3 toes. Do all of them. Okay, once you're done with all of them, then we're going to give the birds some beaks, and you can make them looking different directions. I'm just going to use triangles. I'll make this one looking up a little bit. Just triangles in different directions. Well, that one wasn't very good, but that's okay. Next is eyes. And you want to put it so that it's going in the direction that the beak is going. Like I wouldn't put it over here when the beak's over here. And then they need a little wing. So we're going to put a big W. On the other side where the beak isn't. So opposite side of the beak, we're going to do a little W. So if your beak is pointing up, then you want the W on the other side going down. Okay, and there's our birds. Now we're going to do the same order of colors as the color wheel. So we'll start with red. You're going to color this bird in all red. And I'm not going to spend all my time coloring. I'm going to let you color. But this one will be orange. This one will be yellow. Okay, so red and yellow together make orange, so we put orange in the middle. This one, we're going to do yellow and blue, which together they make green. So we'll put green in the middle. And then the bottom ones, we have red and blue. And what do you think that makes? Purple. Okay, so you'll color these in, and then you can color in the beaks too. I'm going to do some orange on the beaks. And then if you want to, you can do some blue sky in the background. So, now just because I scribbled here doesn't mean that you scribble. I'm just put this so you can tell what colors go where. I want you to color these in just like this one. Okay? Have fun. I can't wait to see your pictures.